This is Kurt with Snapifier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the app directly from your iPhone. Now, right now I'm on the app. If I wanted to install this app, I would click on the URL bar right where the square box with the arrow pointing up. I would click on that, and then I would scroll up to where it says Add to Home Screen. I click on that. I could change the name of the app if I wanted to, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on Add. And now it has been added. Anytime I want to go to this app, now all I have to do is click on the icon on my phone. Installing the app on a desktop or laptop are very similar. All you would need to do is once you're at that you're wanting to install, on the URL bar, you're going to see the icon that looks like a monitor with the arrow pointing down. When you click on it, it's going to ask you if you want to install the app. Go ahead and click on Install. And now it has been installed. So anytime that you want to come to this app, all you have to do is find the icon and click on it, and it will bring up the app.